Hello guys, welcome to Learning Japanese with Marcelo, Mr. Piggy. On this lesson we will be learning the verb to buy or to get, to purchase, the verb kau. Okay, so this is the kanji which has inside the kanji of shell, because I believe in the past in Japan shells have been used as a currency. So from that meaning, we use this kanji. This kanji became to buy or to get something. Okay. It's an irregular verb, which means when we change for the masu, nai, and teke, the te forms, we will change in the regular way. Okay, so u becomes i, or becomes wa, or small tsu for the imperative form. Okay, the meaning is to buy, to get, to purchase. I would say to purchase is a little bit formal, or I would say more like written words. So there is another word which is konyu suru, that is more, in my opinion, to purchase. Okay, so kau would be more to buy, to get something more, something that you use daily, a more like a daily word instead of konyu suru. Okay. Anyway, let's have a look at the four main forms that we have. So the first one is the same as the verb, is our dictionary form. So the sentence here I have is next year, rainen koso kuruma wo kau. Okay, so rainen is next year. Koso is a little bit tricky to translate. It's like finally kind of meaning. And kuruma is a car, and kau is to buy. So next year, I will finally get a car or buy my car. So the koso here has this meaning that you have been saving money, or you've been waiting for a while to get a car. So you could just say rainen kuruma o kau, meaning next year I'm getting a car, right? But if you add the koso, that meaning becomes like you've been like waiting for it, right? So please memorize koso. Is very actually useful when you want to express that feeling that you've been waiting for something, you've been looking for something. So for example, when you say, somebody says thank you for having me, or thank you for this invitation, whatever, and then you can say yeah, kochira koso. Kochira means my side, right? But basically kochira koso means like it's my pleasure, or like I no, I say thank you to you. So koso is like no, from my side. But it's a little bit different from the meaning here, though. Let me think of something that has the same meaning here. Rainen koso. Okay, kondo koso. So kondo means next time. Okay, kondo. So kondo koso has the same meaning here, which is next time, finally, or for sure it will happen. So an example is, let's say you've been taking an entrance exam to university, and you've been failing a couple of times, and finally, like next time, you are telling yourself no, next time, that's it, I'm gonna do it because I've been studying super hard. So in that situation you would say kondo koso yarimasu, I will do it next time, I will pass. Okay. Anyway, moving on. Next one is masu, which is our polite way, right, of saying to buy. So kaimasu, u becomes i, and the sentence here we have, it's itsumo mise de kaimasu. I always, itsumo, always, that store, okay, that store, mise, de is like the place, kaimasu. So I always buy on that store, so whatever we were talking, you're like, oh, this is like, where did you buy this, where did you get this? Like, oh no, itsumo no mise de kaimasu. I always buy in that store, the same store. So something that we both know which store we're talking about in this case. Okay. Negative form is wa. So, u becomes wa, so kawanai. そんなに買わない方がいいと思う。そんなに買わない方がいいと思う。そんなに買わない方がいいと思う。Okay? So, そんなに means like that much, say like a lot in this case. Kawanai is don't buy, right? So here we have that grammatical structure that I've explained in the past, which is the nai negative form, nai hogai. And nai hogai. Nai hogai means it's better not to. Okay, it's better not to. You better not to, or we better not to, or it's better not to. So in this case, it's better not to buy that much. Tomo means I think, so I think that you shouldn't get that much, or you shouldn't buy that much, right? So let's say you are seeing a friend getting, tons of something that you think it's unnecessary, so you would say this, そんなに買わない方がいいよ. Now, if you add the yo, becomes more like an advice. If you want to say polite, 思いますよ. そんなに買わない方がいいと思いますよ. Okay? And the last one, guys, is our imperative form, which is katte. So the u becomes a small tsu, so katte. このゲーム買ってほしい。このゲーム買ってほしい. So この means this. Game can mean the console, or also the disc, or whatever the game is. So we don't know, but we are telling in this case probably could be a child asking for a video game to his or her parents, or somebody who is gonna give it to you. Katte hoshi means like I want you to buy me. I want you to get me in this case a game. Okay, so I want you to get me this game. So このゲーム買ってほしい. Like pointing at it. Okay. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. On the next lesson, the next video, we will be learning the verb to sell. Okay? Thank you for watching. それではまた。バイバイ。